Today, I am reviewing the Nintendo Switch. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Nintendo Switch remains one of the most innovative pieces of technology ever released, even as we move deeper into the current decade. This hybrid console was designed around a central philosophy of flexibility, and after years of testing it in various environments, it is clear that Nintendo truly hit on a formula that changes how you perceive gaming hardware. While other manufacturers focused on raw teraflops and resolution, the Switch focused on the player's lifestyle. The magic of the Switch lies in its three distinct play modes. In TV mode, the console sits in its dock and pushes a signal to your television. Transitioning from this to handheld mode is a seamless experience that still feels like a minor miracle every time you do it. You simply lift the tablet out of the dock and the game instantly appears on the 6.2-inch LCD screen. There is no loading, no saving and quitting, and no syncing required. This fluidity is the defining feature of the device. In handheld mode, the system feels surprisingly solid despite its modular nature. The Joy-Con controllers slide onto the sides with a satisfying mechanical click. The 6.2-inch screen provides a crisp 720p resolution, which is perfectly adequate for a screen of this size. Colors are vibrant enough to make games like Super Mario Odyssey and Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild look spectacular. While it lacks the deep blacks of the more expensive OLED model, the standard LCD panel is reliable, bright, and maintains excellent visibility in most indoor lighting conditions. Plus one. The third mode, Tabletop Mode, is enabled by a small kickstand on the back of the unit. This allows you to set the screen on a tray table or desk and detach the Joy-Cons to play comfortably. This is where the local multiplayer aspect of the console shines. Because every Switch comes with two Joy-Cons, you technically have two controllers ready to go at all times. Being able to hand a controller to a friend and jump into a game of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe while sitting in a coffee shop or on a flight is an experience no other console provides with such ease. From a performance standpoint, the Switch is obviously not a powerhouse compared to a high-end PC or the latest home consoles from Sony or Microsoft. However, the library of games is curated to play to the strengths of the hardware. Nintendo's first-party titles are masterclasses in art direction, proving that style and consistent performance often matter more than raw polygon counts. Beyond the big names like Mario and Pokémon, the Switch has become the definitive home for indie games. Titles like Stardew Valley or Celeste feel right at home on this portable screen, and the ability to switch between a large television and a handheld device makes long RPGs much more manageable. Battery life on the modern standard model is quite respectable, generally landing between 4.5 and 9 hours depending on the intensity of the game you're playing. For most commutes or short flights, this is more than enough to keep you entertained without hunting for a power outlet. The Joy-Cons themselves are packed with technology, including HD rumble and an infrared motion camera. The HD rumble is particularly impressive, providing nuanced haptic feedback that can simulate the feeling of ice cubes clinking in a glass or the tension of a fishing line. While some have criticized the ergonomics for very large hands, the versatility they offer is unmatched. In conclusion, the Nintendo Switch is much more than the sum of its parts. It is a console that respects your time and your environment. It fits into the gaps of a busy life, allowing you to play for 5 minutes on a bus or 5 hours on a couch. If you value gameplay variety, portability, and the best library of first-party titles in the industry, this console is an essential piece of hardware. It is a testament to the idea that the best way to play is however you want, whenever you want, and wherever you want.